Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we'll see the working of fire sprinkler. After the end of this lecture you would be able to understand what is a fire sprinkler and how does a fire sprinkler work. So let's start. So first here we'll see what is a fire sprinkler. So a fire sprinkler system is a type of automatic fire protection system designed to detect and suppress fire. Okay. A fire suppression, see what is it? A fire suppression or control device that operate automatically when its heat activated elements is heated to its thermal rating or above, allowing water to discharge over a specified areas. Okay, as per NFPA 13, here the purpose is given of fire sprinkler, or you can see how it will look. So this fire sprinkler system discharges water only when the effect of a fire has been detected. Okay. It consists of a network of pipes and sprinkler heads. You can see in this figure, installed throughout a building to provide a control and effective response to a fire. Okay. See, here the sprinklers spray water forcefully over the flame, extinguishing them completely or at least controlling the heat and limiting the development of toxic smoke until the fire departments arrive. As it controls or extinguishes the fire, so it is both a fire detection and suppression system. Here you can see the component of fire sprinkler system is shown in this figure. First of all, here the sprinkler head. Can you see in this figure? This is the sprinkler head. Okay. So this is the device. Sprinkler head is the device that release water when a fire is detected, and they are typically mounted on the ceiling or wall. Okay, so there are various type of sprinkler head, including pendant, upright, side wall, and concealed type, etc. That we'll discuss. We have a separate topic for that. Okay. So now the question is, how does a sprinkler work? Okay. So each sprinkler is nothing but a tap in the pipe through which water can escape into the building below. So in a sprinkler, the hand operated tap is replaced by a heat sensitive plug designed to open automatically when fire breaks out. Okay. So now if you see here see the sprinkler head is shown. Here the orifice is given plugs. Plugs is what? A sealing assembly or plug that prevent water from escaping. Okay. Even see the frame is shown, heat sensitive elements that allow water to flow at a given temperature, and the deflector is shown that distribute water effectively. So these are the sprinkler head. Now we'll see how does a sprinkler work. So see, fire sprinkler head feature heat sensitive part, either a glass bulb or a fusible link that cause them to activate at a specific temperature. Here you can see in the first image, this one is the glass bulb. Here the heat sensitive element, glass bulb, and here we have a fusible link. See how they will work. Simple. The bulb contain a glycerin based liquid. Okay. The bulb contain a glycerin based liquid. So once the air around the sprinkler reaches a certain temperature, 68 or 93 degrees Celsius, because see, inside the glass bulb we have a different color of liquid based on temperature rating. So once the air around the sprinkler reaches a certain temperature, what happen? The liquid expand, which cause the glass to break and water release from the sprinkler head. Correct? Same way, if you are going for the fusible link, so this fusible link fire sprinkler have a heat sensitive alloy. Rising temperature cause the alloy to melt. It make the metal element to fall from the sprinkler head and activate the sprinkler. So the water held back, then escape and float towards the deflector, which disperses it throughout the room. Okay, so in this way the fire sprinkler work. Okay, so here also see it is shown. As I told you, each sprinkler head is equipped with a trigger mechanism. typically a glass bulb or a fusible link. So here in this figure, the sprinkler which I have shown is a glass bulb. So here what happened, the glass bulb contain a liquid that expand and burst at a specific temperature. Okay. So when the temperature at the sprinkler head reaches the activation point, usually between 155 degree Fahrenheit to 300 degree Fahrenheit, okay, depending on the type of sprinkler. So the trigger mechanism activate, and when the trigger mechanism activate, what happen? It open a small valve within the sprinkler head, allowing water to flow through. Okay, see, when the air around the sprinkler reaches a certain threshold, what happen? The liquid inside the glass bulb expand and the bulb will burst. And finally, the sprinkler head, see, the sprinkler head can you see here? Disperses water in a specific pattern to cover the area below it. Okay, the pattern and coverage depend on the type of sprinkler head that we'll discuss. Is it clear? So in this way, the sprinkler work. So now the topics which we have covered today. First, we have discussed in detail what is fire sprinkler and then how does a fire sprinkler work. Hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.